My car is so dirty. Little helper, let's vacuum it out.
Devon Aunty, you're vacuuming my hair. I'm gonna vacuum you now.
Whoa, okay. Now it's time to get to work.
Here's the special car wash coins for the vacuum, Devon Aunty. What happens when we push the start button?
When you press the button, a little motor inside starts spinning super fast. It makes air move. The motor pulls air inside the vacuum, kind of like when you sift through a straw. Dirt goes along for the ride.
Oh, that's what happens. Fast moving air is picking up the crumbs and all the dirt and dust from the car floor.
The air goes through a filter like a tiny screen. Dirt gets trapped inside a special copper bag, but the air keeps moving, then blows back out clean.
That's amazing! I'm using the edges of the vacuum nozzle to get in the crevices to help pry out some of the more stubborn dirt. Bye-bye, dirt!
Cleaning cars helps keep germs and dust away.
So keeping our cars clean also keeps us healthy. Surprise, Devon Aunty! I got this shirt! I'm just trying to keep you clean and dust-free. Hey, stop it, Devon Aunty. I'm already clean and dust-free.
We have a little time left. Let's make up a secret handshake.
I think I need a little more practice, but I'll get it, Devon Aunty.
Woo, that's it.
Thanks for joining us, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and like to see more videos like this and have more fun with us.